This will be an Otis Microdrive machine. Oh my
Apparently it doesn't
god.
work.
What?
Apparently this one doesn't work.
What do you mean?
That's the manual one, right?
Yeah. If we can get it working now.
I think that's right.
Yeah. Holy shit. Wow. Look at this. Oh, there goes that one. Oh my god, I cannot believe we just found a Microdrive machine. Holy cow. And there's like a separate motor right here. How does it work is what I want to know. Because look at this, there's like this big old, whoa, check this thing out. There's like this giant thing that maybe spins.
Oh yeah.
Interesting. And here's this for all that want to see the Hollister ripping machine. Here it is. It's a 540H machine. Made by East Elevator, or installed by East. Ouch, the cables pretty much rub against the wall there. That's nice. But oh my god. This is a Microdrive machine. I can't believe it. Yeah, look, because look, this is its own motor right here. There's this motor, and then that motor over there. So I guess it runs on both of them. That's insane. I can't believe I actually found it. That is so crazy. An Otis Microdrive machine. Wow. So this is its own motor right here. This is a 1S or a 15, yeah, 15. 60 cycles, 20 horsepower, 65 amps, 230 volts, AC, 3-phase. Wow, I mean, this is just nuts. I never realized this was Microdrive. And look at this. I don't know. See, it's a very simple controller. That's crazy though. All right, that's it.